Real estate isn't just about flipping houses anymore. In 2025, it's about strategy. Here are 5 powerful ways you can build passive income through real estate, even if you're starting small. Let's start with the classic, long-term rentals. Buy a property, rent it out, and let your tenants pay down your mortgage. Use property managers to keep it hands-off and leverage platforms like Zillow or Apartments.com to fill vacancies quickly. Pro tip: look for markets with high rent-to-price ratios like parts of Texas or the Midwest. Next up, Airbnb rentals. With tools like Guesty and Smart Locks, managing short-term rentals is now easier than ever. You can earn 2-3 times more than traditional rentals, especially near tourist hotspots or business hubs. Just remember, local regulations matter, so always check city rules before buying. Want totally passive income? Consider real estate syndications. You invest money, and experienced operators handle everything, from buying to managing and selling. This is ideal if you want real estate exposure without being a landlord. Look for sponsors with a track record and skin in the game. If you prefer stocks over properties, invest in REITs. They trade like stocks but own real estate, from malls to apartments. REITs offer consistent dividends and can diversify your income streams without any physical property. Check out funds like VNQ or individual REITs like Realty Income. Lastly, consider seller financing or real estate notes. You act like the bank, earning interest on money loaned to buyers or investors. No toilets, no tenants, just monthly income from debt payments. This works best once you've built capital and want lower risk. Real estate in 2025 is smarter, more accessible, and more automated than ever. Which of these 5 strategies will you try first? Want more passive income ideas? Hit subscribe to join the passive empire.